Okay, let's go ahead and go through now. We're going to start with Nikon, then we'll do Canon. How the actual internal flash systems work. How you can actually fire your flashes off camera by using the systems in the camera. The Nikon I have here doesn't have a built-in flash, so I have to buy an extra thing. It's called a SU800, but it works exactly the same as what's in your camera. Actually, I kind of wish I would not have this now. I wish I had like a D600, D800 instead of what I do have here, the top end version, because it actually has a flash built in and you can actually use that to trigger your flashes. So I had to actually buy an extra piece. But like I said, it works all the same. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn your flash into remote. And like I said, we're going to go through Canon next, so it's all specific to that. So it's on Nikon, it's just a little switch normally. It says remote on this one. SB700, why don't you hand me that one there, Essie? This is a 900, which is the same as the 910. 700 is actually the same thing. Right here on the side, you go to remote. I think the 600 actually has a little switch on the side that you turn, if memory serves, when I've had those in classes. So what you do is you turn that remote. So now this flash, no matter where you put it, is going to fire when you fire your camera once you have it set up, which is really, really cool. And you can add multiple flashes. We'll be doing that in the next class. So the one thing you have to remember here, though, before we get into setting this complete thing up, is they work on infrared, okay? Infrared is line of sight. So if you have something between your camera and your flash, it's not going to fire, okay? That's where like radio poppers and pocket wizards, I always forget, that's where those two come in to play, because they turn those infrared waves into radio waves, and then you can set it up anywhere. So we'll go through that too. But, so for right now, you just need to know it has to be line of sight if you don't have any radio slaves like that. So line of sight, and we'll set this up.